Imagine waking up to a world where AI has transformed the way we live, work, and play. How would that look like? Will it be a utopian dream or a dystopian nightmare? Artificial intelligence, or AI, is already making a significant impact in our daily lives, from the way we communicate to how we consume entertainment. It's like a silent revolution, subtly yet powerfully transforming the world around us. Take healthcare, for instance. AI predictive algorithms are now assisting doctors in diagnosing diseases, predicting patient risks, and even suggesting treatment plans. It's like having an extra pair of expert eyes, making healthcare more accurate and personalized. In the world of entertainment, AI is redefining the way we experience movies, music, and games. It's creating personalized playlists, recommending movies based on our preferences, and even powering the non-player characters in our favorite video games. Now let's talk about the digital media landscape. Recently, BuzzFeed announced a partnership with OpenAI to integrate AI into its core business. The aim? To enhance the work of their employees, focusing on personalized and creative content creation. The CEO of BuzzFeed, Jonah Peretti, envisions AI not as a replacement for human creativity, but as a tool to augment it. With AI, they're looking to create personalized quizzes and articles, all while maintaining the role of human journalists in news content creation. It's a brave new world where humans and machines work hand in hand, each enhancing the other's capabilities. But it's not all roses. The rise of AI also brings challenges, concerns about job displacement, privacy issues, and ethical dilemmas. It's a double-edged sword that we must wield with caution and responsibility. The impact of AI is profound and pervasive, but what exactly is AI? Let's delve deeper into this fascinating world. Artificial intelligence, often simply referred to as AI, is a term that's thrown around a lot these days. But what does it truly mean? Let's dive in. In essence, AI is the simulation of human intelligence processes by machines, especially computer systems. These processes include learning, reasoning, problem-solving, perception, and language understanding. But it wasn't born in a day. The concept of AI dates back to the ancient world, with myths, stories, and speculation about artificial beings endowed with intelligence and consciousness by master craftsmen. However, it wasn't until the mid-20th century that AI truly began to come into its own, with the birth of modern computing. Today, AI is all around us, from the virtual assistants in our smartphones to the recommendation algorithms of our favorite streaming services. But not all AI is created equal. There's a stark difference between weak or narrow AI and strong or general AI. Weak AI, as the name suggests, is designed to perform a narrow task, like facial recognition or internet searches. It operates under a limited set of constraints and is designed to perform a narrow set of tasks. A classic example of weak AI is Siri, the voice-activated assistant on Apple devices. On the other hand, strong AI is designed to perform any intellectual task that a human being can do. It's an AI system with generalized human cognitive abilities so that when presented with an unfamiliar task, it has enough intelligence to find a solution. However, as of now, strong AI remains largely theoretical, with no practical examples in use today. AI, in its various forms, is already making a significant impact, but there's a new player in town that's taking AI to a whole new level: artificial general intelligence. If AI is the new electricity, then artificial general intelligence, or AGI, is the power grid. But what makes AGI different from AI? When we talk about AI, we're often referring to narrow AI, which is designed to perform a specific task, like recommending your next binge-worthy show or predicting the weather. But AGI? Now that's a different beast altogether. This type of AI isn't just intelligent, it's versatile. It has the potential to understand, learn, and apply its intelligence to any intellectual task that a human being can, essentially replicating human intelligence in a machine. Picture this: an AI that can draft an email, then switch to diagnosing a medical condition, and then create a symphony, all without missing a beat. That's the power of AGI. It's the holy grail of artificial intelligence, the big dream that has tech enthusiasts and scientists alike buzzing with excitement. And we're not just talking about a distant sci-fi future. The wheels of AGI are already in motion. Recent advancements in this field are poised to revolutionize industries. For instance, OpenAI, a leading organization in AI research, has made significant strides in AGI. They've developed systems capable of playing complex games, writing persuasive essays, and even composing music, all by learning from a diverse range of internet text. But it's not just about creating machines that mimic human intelligence. AGI holds the promise of solving complex problems that are beyond human capabilities. It could help us tackle climate change, cure diseases, and even unlock the mysteries of the universe. However, with great power comes great responsibility. As we inch closer to achieving AGI, we must also navigate the ethical and societal implications. It's a balancing act, ensuring the rise of AGI benefits humanity, rather than posing risks. AGI is exciting and holds immense potential, but there's another aspect of AI that's making waves in the tech world: ChatGPT. ChatGPT, a name that's been making headlines. But what is it and why is it important? You might have heard this name bandied about in tech circles, but let's dive deeper to understand its true magic. ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence model developed by OpenAI. It's a language processing AI that's designed to have human-like conversations. What sets it apart is its ability to understand context, generate responses, and even exhibit a sense of humor. It's like having a conversation with a well-read, witty friend who always has something interesting to say. It's not just about creating clever responses, though. ChatGPT is a shining example of how far AI has come in understanding and generating human language. It's been trained on a diverse range of internet text, and it uses this training to generate unique responses that are contextually relevant and surprisingly human-like. But what does this mean for us? Well, the potential applications are mind-boggling. Imagine having a virtual assistant that doesn't just follow commands but understands your needs, anticipates your questions, and personalizes your interactions. Or think about the possibilities in education and entertainment. From personalized tutoring to interactive storytelling, the potential of ChatGPT is immense. Recently, we've seen some fascinating developments. Just last year, BuzzFeed's CEO announced a partnership with OpenAI to use AI, like ChatGPT, to enhance content creation. The goal is not to replace human creativity, but to augment it, providing personalized and innovative digital experiences. This is a glimpse of how ChatGPT and similar technologies can redefine our interaction with the digital world. ChatGPT is just the beginning. The world of AI is vast and we're only scratching the surface. As we delve deeper into the realm of artificial intelligence, we can expect more magical transformations in the way we live, work, and play. So buckle up and enjoy the ride into this exciting future. With AI, AGI, and ChatGPT, the future looks exciting. But what does this mean for us? Consider this. We're on the cusp of a new era, where artificial intelligence could potentially revolutionize how we live, work, and interact. It's a thrilling prospect, but it also calls for careful consideration. The future of AI is not simply about technological advancements, but about the societal and ethical implications that come with them. Imagine a world where AI is integrated into our daily lives. It's not just about self-driving cars or personalized recommendations on your streaming services. It's about AI enhancing the quality of our experiences, amplifying our human capabilities, and opening up new possibilities for creativity and innovation. Take BuzzFeed's partnership with OpenAI as an example. They're using AI not to replace human journalists, but to enhance their work, allowing for more personalized and creative content. It's a testament to the potential of AI to bring about a new model for digital media. However, let's not forget that with great power comes great responsibility. The development of AI must be guided by ethical considerations. We must ensure that AI is used to benefit all of humanity, not just a select few. It's about preventing a dystopian future where AI could potentially be used to manipulate, control, or even harm. Moreover, it's about ensuring transparency and accountability in AI development. As AI becomes more advanced and capable, we need to know how it's making decisions and who's responsible when something goes wrong. The road ahead is filled with potential and challenges alike. It's up to us to navigate this landscape responsibly. We need to foster an environment of open discussion and collaboration, where we can collectively decide how AI should be developed and used. The future of AI is a journey and we're all passengers. It's up to us to steer it in the right direction.